Hi, I want to show you my small experiences with some filaments for 3D printers. Filaments with higher temperature resistance. My favorite was H-PLA. H-PLA, you can find links on all three these filaments under video, in description of video. H-PLA is something like PLA. You can really easy print with this filament without any problems, and without any next procedure. This filament, heat resistance of this filament or temperature resistance of this filament is about 100 degrees of Celsius. So really nice. It was my favorite, it was my king, but later, after a few weeks, I meet this problem. This is H-PLA filament in this is H-PLA sorry. In some places is this filament really this is not usable. This is so, jak se řekne, křehký. This is so fragile. This is so fragile. This is fragile that it can be broken during print. If this filament is coming from the spoon of filament, it can easily break only by pull of extruder. This is big problem for me. So I hope maybe later they will change a little bit. I don't know, procedure, receptor, some technology process during make this H-PLA filament. But of course I cannot trust this filament for high-speed RC airplanes, for models with a longer time of, I don't know, for my RC boats, etc. Big problem for me. But again, I hope in the near future, they will repair this material. Next 100 degrees of Celsius. Next material new is ABS-X. ABS-X is something like ABS. You can glue it with acetone. You can make better surface with acetone, vaporize, etc. But you know, with standard ABS you cannot print large prints, or you can print large prints with ABS, but it is this is hell. Normal ABS really smell during print. This ABS-X, you can print really easy big parts, and smell during print is almost nothing. Yes, almost without any smell. But unfortunately, same like ABS, layer adhesion is not so good like on PLA or H-PLA. Layer adhesion, it could be problem on some applications. For me, is this material usable for some prints, for my RC boats for example, but for RC airplanes with 1 perimeter walls, no way. And for some parts with really where I need a really strength part, this is not usable. Of course you can make a better adhesion of layers with higher temperature, lower speed, but after that you will have new problems with retractions and etc. But okay, ABS-X, temperature resistance 70 to 80 degrees of Celsius. Really easy print, just a new generation of ABS. I like it, but And my favorite for really strong parts is Z-UTRAT. I don't know what is which kind of material it is. I think this is maybe something between polyacrylate, polycarbonate and nylon. I don't know. Z-UTRAT. But this is really strong, and you can easily print parts in size of maybe like this, maybe twice bigger, but if you will print really big parts, you will meet same problems like with ABS. Yes, warping of print and etc. But for this size of print, for really strong parts, this is part of extruder for my 3D printer. This is really nice material with nice color, and temperature resistance is 130 to 140 degrees of Celsius. Of course, 140 may be with a thick wall. If you will have thin wall, this temperature resistance will be maybe 100, 110, but still very nice temperature resistance. So Z-UTRAT, my favorite for small, really strong parts, and really easy print with this material, really easy. But you need heating bed 100, 110. I print on 90 degrees of Celsius on heat bed, because my Felix this is maximum temperature for this printer on bed, but 90 to 110, and filament or nozzle temperature is between 220 to 250. Yes, but really easy print when it's really strong. You can feel how strong this filament is. So now I will show you different in layer adhesion. I will break this small leg first on H-PLA, then ABS-X, and then Z-UTRAT. H-PLA, no way. ABS-X. Z-UTRAT. So you saw H-PLA was strong. Actually, I think that I can break, but this part is printed so strong. But okay, it's okay. It is really strong part. ABS-X, how you can saw, I broke. Just layer adhesion on ABS and ABS-X is just worse than on PLA or of course Z-UTRAT. And Z-UTRAT, this is just strong. I really like this material for gears or something. Really nice material. So I think that's all. Again, links on all three materials are under the video. And I hope that manufacturer of H-PLA will change their receptor or technology or something, and I hope they will make this material without this fragile problem. You can see now this part is okay, but you don't know when and where it will be fragile. H-PLA. So, H-PLA. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.